Hello my dear kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great and staying safe. Now, what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn chapter 24, Journey of the Cloud. Right? When you hear the word cloud, what you will find? You will remember the clouds we can see every day, right? In the sky. Can we touch it? No, right? We can't touch those clouds because they are very high, right? So, when you see clouds in the morning, if you see the sun which is covered by cloud, what will happen? If the clouds cover the sun, everything will be dark, right? So you must like rainy season, right, where the clouds are very thick, right? So if the rain comes from the clouds only, right, so you'll enjoy the most, right? So we'll see the journey. So if we see the cloud, how it looks, it's like a snow, right? If you touch, it's like a water only, right? So we touch when we reach the higher hills, right? So that time we easily touch, right? So when you see in the morning, early in the morning, we'll feel there's a fog, right? So that only we feel the same when we touch the clouds, right? So we know the journey. So why sometimes it's very cloudy, when sometimes it's very clear, right? That only we are going to learn for the today's class, okay? The journey of the cloud, okay? So we should respect our nature, right? So we are not with a handmade, it's not a man-made, it's a cloud are natural, right? When the water absorb through the sun, right? So sun absorb the water and it will turn that water into clouds. When we keep water in fridge, right, what we will get? We'll get ice, right? In the same way, if the sun absorb the water, right, it will turn into the cloud, okay? So let's see what the cloud want to say. He is very high. When he see this earth, we are living in the earth, right? So when he see the earth, how he feel? So that only we are going to learn. Hey child, I am a cloud. I am far above the earth. It is very beautiful to see the earth from this height. What is this? It is what? So he is asking to another cloud. So they are talking. So here he is telling, I am cloud, right? So I am very far from earth, right? So I can see that earth which looks so beautiful, right? Hey, seashore, how cool it is. Raw of coconut palms, the waves striking the shores create foam floating on the wind. I have risen little high. What is that? It's a seashore, right? So how the seashore looks? Seashore looks so beautiful, right? So the cloud is seeing what? the seashore, which look very beautiful with the coconut palms, right? So how the climate was? The waves striking the shore create foam. When the waves are coming, it will produce foam, right? So then it's floating in the wind, right? So that he is looking and it's very happy, right? So how was the climate when seashore? It's very calm, right? So whenever you get bored, you used to visit seashore, right? Because the weather was good. Now see, hey, where have I come to? Oh, how hot it is. There are heaps of sand everywhere. Strong wind is blowing. No trees are seen. Child, now I am in desert, right? So where is he? He is in desert, right? Where is desert? So you can see only sand, right? So if you observe, right, so there is a many climate changes, right, that we learn in a previous class. So when we are in Gadag, what you will see? Yes, when it is summer, it's very hot. But see, in other states like Shimla, Kashmir, there is a snow falling because there is a climate change. When you go to the Rajasthan, it's more hotter than what we are getting, right? So it's more hotter than Gadag, right? So every places have different climate conditions. Now the cloud is in desert, right? You can see very less clouds. If the clouds are there, you feel the shade. But in desert, it's very hot. The cloud is telling it's very hot, right? So by floating, I have risen up. Oh, the broad and flat it is. It is very fertile. As this flowing river bring fertile soil with them. This is a plain. It is very green. It is very suitable for the agriculture. Oh, wind is blowing fast, right? So wind is very fast and water get the soil, right? With the flow of water, we'll get the mud. So that's called soil, right? So with that, it's very flat, right? Where we can grow many plants. So it is that area or that climate is suitable for the agriculture, right? So I am floating higher and higher. The place where I am now in is called plateau, right? This region is broad and even it is a little bit above the sea level, right? So when you see, what is it? It's very high, right? So it's called plot, right? So it's the level, it's more than the sea level, okay? Now, oh, I have risen very high. Now where is the cloud now? Very high. See the mountain range. It is nearly 600 meters high. So from the water is falling, right? So child, see the river flowing down the hill. So the water is flowing from the hill, right? So look down. The flowing river joins the valley, right? So what does the valley? So it's in a shape of V. So that's why it's called valley, right? So from the waterfall from the hills, it will went to the V shape, right? So it flow in the shape of V. So it's called valley. Okay, how small it looks. So if you see Dudhsagar and right, so there is waterfalls, right? So there is only a small waterfalls, but it will spread here. It will take a place, right, in the where the way it flowing. It's called valley. Now the narrow region between two hills is the valley, right? So from this it will come to the what? V shape, valley, right? So here is also hills, here also hills. In the between place with a V shape is called valley. Sometime we can see the river flowing here, right? So with that only the river has to be made. Oh, here is a waterfall also, right? So it's what? In the hill there is a water coming, right? So we'll say waterfalls. A waterfall form when the water falls from the top of the hills to great depth. Oh, look here, what a beautiful scene. You have may visited waterfalls, dams, right? So where the water is coming from the hills, right? So how does it look? It looks beautiful. You will go and take a pictures from there, right? So here, how does it look? It looks so beautiful. Tell me the name of water that you know. You may know many waterfalls, like as I said, Dudhsagar, in the Amboli, many waterfalls are there, right? So, oh, how strong is the wind? I am now rising up again from hills, valley and waterfalls. The blow of the wind is increased. So how the wind is there? It flow in that way only, right? So you may get the water sprinkles, right? So here, oh God, I am near a mountain. Now where is the cloud? It is in the mountain. Where? What do you think? Do you want to know what mountain is? It is very high hills, right? So it is more than 1000 meters, right? So that's why we call mountains, because they are very big. It's about more than 1000 kilometers, right? So it is more than 1000 meters above the sea level, right? If the sea level is so down, right, the sea level is like this, though we will get the mountains here, right? So it's about that distance. At the place it is covered with snow, because at the hill it's very near to the clouds, right? So with there we'll get what? Snowfalls in the Shimla, Kashmir, right? So it's very where you will get high mountains, right? So there we'll get snow. So here the mountain covered with snow, which is famous all over the world, is in the north of our country, right? So as I said, so from the Shimla, Kulu Manali, right? So these are the places where we can see the hills, right? So here, do you know its name? You already know about hills and mountain. Will you write the difference between hills and mountain in the space given? Okay. So what you have to write? So here the difference between hills and mountain you should write. As we already know about hills and mountains, right? So one is what? It's very easy to, hills are easy to climb, but mountain it will take many days to climb the mountains. Here in hills there's around about 800 to 900 meter, but in the mountain it will start from the 1000 meter to more, it's about 2500 meter is the highest peak of our country, right? So it's the highest mountain, it's about 2500 meter, right? So the climate, even the climate condition is also different from hills and mountain, that I will provide you in the notes. Okay, so you'll see it is getting very cold as the wind rises up. The water vapor that I carry, it turn into water drops. Oh, now I will fall as rain. Now run home before getting wet, right? So when it is raining, how was the climate? You feel so cold, right? So because it's getting, the clouds are getting melted, vaporized, right? So from the sun, so there is what, it's like a water. When you see this, it's a water, right? So the sun will absorb this water, right? So it will turn into what? To the cloud, right? Again the rainfall will come, again it will go to that rain only, right? So that is the procedure, right? Even in telling is what? It's getting cold now. So we will see is what? So that from the cloud, whatever the raindrops will come, it will go to the river only, right? So here you should read the journey of cloud, right? So where it goes, first it's to the seashore, right? Then desert, then to the where fertilized soil, from to the river, right? So then it will go to the plateau, right? Then hills, valley and waterfalls, right? Then to the mountain. Now the cloud journey got over, right? So here the seashore, desert, plains, plateau, hills and mountain are a beautiful feature of the earth. So it roam everywhere, right? The earth. Now he know how the conditions, where is in desert or the plains or plateau or the mountains, right? Some of them may be in your surrounding, right? Identify them, right? So we can see many other things, right? So which is nearby, right? That only we are going to answer. Okay, answer the following with the help of the cloud. How high are the hills from the sea level? So we already know it's around 600 meters, right? So there's around 1000 meters, right? So 1000 meters around near the high from the hills, right? So we see there are around 600 meters, right? So around hills from the sea level. What is the narrow land found between two mountains called? It's called valley, right? So which has very narrow land, right, between two mountains, right? If there is a hill, mountains, though this is how the river flow, right? How the water flow, though it's called valley. Name 3 famous waterfalls of our state, right? So it's what we say, Jog Falls, right? So Dudh Sagar, right? and one more Shibanasamudra, right? So these are the waterfalls we can Gaganachukki, Bharachukki, there are many other waterfalls we can see in our state. Where is fertile soil found? So it's in a plain, right? So board and flat it is fertilized as the flowing river bring fertilized with them, right? So here these are the question answer that I'll provide you. Okay, so this is our first session, right, where we are learn about the cloud journey, right? So here for the next session we learn more about it, right? So what effects, we know the journey of cloud now, right? So we know about what effects, so what effects for the cloud, right? So that we learn for the second session. Until then, thank you for watching. Have a great day.